Hi, we are Titusville Middle School, which is known as the birthplace of the oil industry and was home to the first commercially successful oil well. And because of the discovery of oil in the area, there was a tremendous industrial growth. Today we're going to head over to Roser Technology Incorporated to tell you what's so cool about manufacturing.
I'm Chad Neiswanger. I'm the VP of Operations here at RTI. We remanufacture things. We do produce some things new. It's all the products that make the steel that end up in the cars and the sheet metal in the world.
My name is Brett Kaminsky. I'm an electronic technician at RTI. That's the HC Strand 1-2 mold. I'm working on the resolvers, top and bottom, that reads the distance and arrows and what angle they're at.
My name is Stephen Green and I'm a machinist. This is a vertical mill. Right now I'm machining pins on. I'm drilling some holes and making some threads in it right now.
I'm Doug Davenport. This is a horizontal boring mill. It manufactures copper plates for the steel industry.
What requirements should I meet to get into manufacturing?
The vocational schools are great. We intern sometimes from the vocational schools and then hire full-time when the programs are done.
Definitely technical schools, vocational programs, math, backgrounds, schooling.
I went to college and I became an engineer and decided I wanted to be more hands-on, so this was a better field for me.
What do you like most about your job?
Every day I walk in here, we have a different part sitting in front of me. Not the same as the day before.
Making parts, troubleshooting, making a useful product, figuring things out.
Just always enjoyed it, and something's always different. It's always new.
So as you can see, the manufacturing industry is both unique and an important factor to the life we live today. So if you wish to check out more, you can always stop by to www.whatsocool.org. And as always, thanks for watching.